Hello students, how are you? Now, last time you have done, you have started chapter 10. So now one most important topic we have started, that is Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula? Euler's formula gives the relation between face, verses and edges of a polygon. What is polygon? Polygon, it is closed figure which is having number of sides. Clear this? Or you can say polygon is closed figure having more than 3 sides, just like starting triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, all are these the example of polygons. Clear this? So first of all, faces. So my dear students, face, first of all you must know face. How many faces are there? In cuboid figure, cuboid, any solid figure you can take. So what is cuboid? The simple I am having this cuboid shape and faces. It means 4 faces you see visible. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 faces are there around this, and then one top and then one bottom. Total 6 faces are there. In this cuboid, 6 faces are there. Okay, how many? 6 are there. So another, if I say, I am taking the example for cuboid. Now another, verses. What do you say word verses? Verses means it is the plural of name vertex. Singular vertex. If one vertex is only one, then you use vertex. If more than one, then you can say verses. So how many verses are there in this cuboid? Verses means these are the corner of this. These are the corner of the verses. Verses you see here, just like these are the verses. How many verses are there? You see A, B, C. A also, B also, C also, D also, E corner, F corner, G corner, H corner. So total verses are 8. And now edges. These are the verses here. These are the vertex. So 8 verses are there. Now next, what left? Edge. How many edges are there in this? As you say, where this is a plane surface, this is a plane surface, where two plane surface join, and that line is called edge. So how many edges are there? I think you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from this side. 4 you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 8. And then 4 from this side. So 4, 4, 4. 12 edges are there. And in this figure on the board also you can see edges. The simple 4 heights. In this 4 heights means 1, 2, 3, 4 heights are there. 4 heights are there. Or just you say 4 lengths are there. 4 where 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. Clear this? 4 heights are there. 4 lengths are there. Or 4 breadths are there. Which are breadths here? You can see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 breadths are there. So 4 length, 4 breadth, and 4 height. So in this way, you can say total 12 edges are there. So first of all, you must know what is face, what is edge, what is vertex. So now I will verify this relation between face, vertices and edges. So my dear students, first of all you take left hand side. What is left hand side? Face plus vertices minus edge. So face, how many face? 6 faces are there. And vertices, 8 vertices are there. Edges, 12 edges are there. Now you check 8 plus 6, 14 minus 12. So this is 14 minus 12, 2, and this is the right hand side. So we are saying verify this. then you can say hence verified. So I think it is very much clear to you the relation between phase, vertices and edges. So now this is the relation between phase, vertices and edges is known as Euler's formula, and it is applicable in all types of polyhedrons. It is the, you can say, all polygons which are having the space inside it, solid shapes, which are having the solid figures, space is there, which are having the vertex, faces are there, edges are there, and they are called polyhedrons. So it is applicable in all polyhedrons. Just means we can take pyramid also, cube also, cuboid also, cylinder also, cone also. It is applicable in all. So now just I am taking one more. You can see one question from exercise I am taking, so that formula you must be on the tips. Phase plus vertices minus edge is equal to 2. So now question number 7, you see what is saying. Question number 7, using Euler's formula find the unknown, means find the missing frequency. Just you see what is given here. Just is given if faces, vertices, edges. So 8, here 5, 20, 5, 20, and 6, 12, and then here it is given 6, it is given 12, and then here edges 12 here, 9 here, 30 written here. See this, and then not 30, you have to prove 30 here. So now it is question mark, this is question mark, this is also question mark. See this. So now first you understand this table. Understand this table. Clear this. What is it given? The question is using Euler's formula find the unknown in this table. First to understand what is given. So my students, first to understand, in this way you understand. You understand this vertically. When you understand vertically, then it is clear. Understand? How? Vertically you understand. Faces, you tell this, faces are, how many faces are there? If vertices are there, first part I am taking, if it is first part, it is second part, it is third part. 3 parts are there. So in first part, if faces don't know, then you suppose x, you can say let, and then vertices are 6. Vertices are 6 here, and edges are 12. So what you say for this relation, the left hand side you see, or you can say direct, you can say f formula f plus v minus e is equal to 2 by Euler's formula. So phase you have to find out x, and vertices 6, and edges 12 is equal to 2. Now shift all that side. So 2 minus shift here, it is plus 12, plus 6 shift here, minus 6. So here, what do you say? 14, 12 plus 2, 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6, then x is equal to 8. Understand? Then its value is, here what will come? 8 will come. So it means phase will be 8. Answer this. Understand? I think now it is clear. Can you tell with me second, you see second part, phase, or first to write the formula. Now you can do fast also. You can do fastly also. Phase plus vertices minus h is equal to 2. Clear this? So now what do you say? Face 5 versus you have to find out minus E as is 9 is equal to 2. So shift all that side, minus plus 9 plus 9, 5 minus 5. So 2 plus 9, 11 minus 5, 6 are there. So versus is 6 you see. Its answer is 6 will come. And here 8 was there. Now next, third, can you revise with me? F formula first to write face plus versus minus H. Clear this? So face is 20 versus 12 and H you have to find out is 2. So 12 plus 20, 20 plus 12, 32 minus E is equal to 2. It is very much easy. What you will do? You shift 2 here and minus E that side. It is minus 2 and E that side. So E is equal to 32 minus 2, 30. Clear this? So my dear students, in this way we can check. Understand? We can check this and verify also. So first of all, anybody can ask how many faces are there, how many edges are there, and then verify Euler's formula. And if in polygon vertices are given, edges are given, find out faces. And if faces are given, edges are given, you can find out vertices. If faces are given, vertices are given, you can find edge also by using this Euler's formula. Face plus versus minus edge is equal to 2. So you have to today apply many questions based on this formula from the book, from the chapter 10. Thank you.